ngezikhumbuzo kwizona ebengihamba ngazo phambili. Icala lokubula kukaLiseli Khoza basemnyako lizobuyela enkantolo ngomhla ka-2.
What am I doing? Wow. Hey, y'all need to my Instagram live, TikTok live. Hey. Third one. Depending on what we back.
Arke set up one.
What is that? You're gonna wait for me now? In Auntie's office? Okay, you're coming. Come. Wait. Go in. Go.
Brother. Nice to meet you too, brother. Welcome. Hello, baby. How are you?
I'm a boy.
I promise you. Hey, Cleo. Are you good, brother? Yes, Khalid.
We are alive. By His grace.
By His grace.
So, yes, breakfast show, yes.
Last year.
Last year.
No. The year before, just after graduation.
It's nice to see you. Welcome back.
Thank you.
It's nice to
kanjani mfethu la umuntu uthi uyamthanda wena angithanda wena ngithanda lo
I love the sound.
Beautiful one indeed. 9 minutes after 5 o'clock. Look at Joseph M. Welcome to it, the third and last hour of the show, the afternoon fix. Hey, Gumnandi Gemagunje, it's local Wednesday. And of course, he goes Gumnandi in the background, the DJ Cleo. Hamano C. Muna Lady, if I'm not mistaken. What is Zama?
Absolutely. It's time for Proudly Brewed in Mzansi. We celebrate the best of the best in the country. And we joined the studio by, Radio House, hip-hop producer, DJ. What else?
It's a legendary.
Award-winning.
It's a legendary
Wednesday. You have to be very clear. Award-winning.
A graduate.
I mean, we have to be very, ladies and gentlemen, DJ Cleo is in studio. Look who's the engine number, right? Let's stick to DJ Cleo.
Yeah, no. Yeah, bereka le yona.
Umunati mfethu.
Batsho jwalo.
Cleo pass.
Batsho jwalo.
Baro umunati.
Yeah.
Aw.
Wena uzizwa kanjani?
Wena uri.
We are break. I'll move kancane on your break.
Still as funny, yeah, as I remember. It's good to see you looking good, man. You know, welcome
Thank you
back.
so much, thank
we
you.
haven't had you on the show in a long time. It's good to have you.
Ungivalela ngaphandle.
Wena baphumelani?
Hey.
Hey!
My favorite comeback, but you used it on me.
Bafo, thank you so much for making time. Elefita CB is a proudly brewing in Mzansi. We're very excited to have you. Hence I say it's very legendary. I was just saying to my colleague earlier on the manje ukuthi hey bangago happy new year mfethu esanike zo DJ Clear. Shayabo hey mfethu. To have you to you have to ask you this, man. I mean you've been and you still do it.
Sure.
Is it something hard to get out of or leave or take a break from, or noma ngabe kuthiwa usuthi ngiyaphumula manje lento ithi ngeke wozala kimi?
It fulfills me. You know, music is my therapy.
Sure.
Music is my go-to. Music is my plan A, B, and C.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I think that's a mouthful on its own.
Yeah. Sure.
And I think also it's important to do it from the heart. Cleo.
Also, I generally write from a point of honesty.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How kwala? Yeah.
For example, this song Zamagomunyi.
Yeah.
It's inspired by my current state, relationship status.
All right, sure.
Yeah, being single, and then being poregile one time taking a break from producer just for like a day.
Yeah.
And I'd heard about a dating app. Ngangena nje sign up. So men gonna refuel ngithi like.
Yeah.
Aka respond yena like. So obviously ngizama komunye. Like aka like.
Ngoba lo mlike ngathi akakulike.
Zama komunye.
Yes.
Lower stream maybe ngithi like.
Yeah.
I like it back.
Yeah.
Sithi siya chat but solo ukuthi laba ngathi ukudate my family. Abo my name is
Not make sure. Not make sure.
I'm humble.
My name is Bafo.
Yeah.
Listen, no. This one is not make sure.
It's not make sure. I like
right from the heart. And
like
produce music from the heart.
Yeah.
But I have to ask you this. Do you embrace now being called a legend?
You know, I was thinking about this just 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Because one of my colleagues, Espana Radio 2000, he likes to introduce me as legend.
Yes.
But legend look up to and they're still alive.
For sure.
Ngakhohlwa ke DJ Fresh because he opened the door for me. Literally, he walked me in.
Yeah.
You know, hand in hand. So, am I embracing it?
Yeah.
I'm used to being called that.
Yeah.
Embracing, I'm not sure how you really embrace something.
Sure.
Because also embracing it means you call yourself that.
Yeah.
So I'm happy when people say it.
Sure.
And I don't have to say it.
Yeah.
But
So I saw sink in. I saw.
Yeah.
No, because
Yeah.
once in a while it catches me off guard. You know?
Yeah.
And inokugugisa kancane yabo.
And that's cool.
Uyangibona now uyabona
I when I look next man, you look amazing. But I mean, we touched on music and how you write from the heart and all of that. But we know how music watching, you know, Cleo, and music has changed drastically. You know.
Yes.
So this song we just played, Kiki current sound how?
No, it's me literally showing off.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
Yeah. It was me just showing off and showcasing.
I can. Yeah. But how has sound evolved according to you? How you share about from way back and then to now? You know.
Sound has evolved in a big way because we're predominantly a vibrant country, you know. So I mean, we come from an era where Kwaito dominated.
Yes.
And then house came in and dominated over Kwaito.
Yes.
And then local hip hop dominated everything to a point where we and
Amapiano.
there's Amapiano
Yeah.
now. There's 3-step,
Yeah.
which I like because it's almost like it's a resurgence, house music.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you are a pioneer of most of these sounds, man, Cleo, because I mean,
Not pioneer, but I mean,
You're
I've been involved
Yeah.
in all of them, actually.
yeah. Because that's how versatile you are, though.
The only era I'm not involved in is bubblegum.
Oh, yeah.
One cookies I
My Brenda Fast. No, I worked with Brenda Fast.
was in sub A with her.
No, I get it,
But
man.
Kana, how many albums do you have, Cleo?
Yo, I need to count.
Sure.
About 17.
Sure.
Yeah, because the Escalani series goes up to 12.
Sure.
Yeah.
And then I had the Amapiano album.
Sure.
The second one.
Yeah.
The gospel one.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
had Soma, Luzwini,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's 14. And then there's Black Sam's album, 15.
Yeah.
Sure.
And then there's Escaleni something else. Escaleni Street Music Volume 1. That's one that's got Tongpo.
Yeah.
And then
You released again in
So
September
it's-
this
so
year,
it's 17.
2025.
17 last year, 18
What was the
This
last
year.
one? What was the last one? What's the last one?
current one is
Yeah.
Escaleni Party.
Escaleni Party.
Yeah.
You released this last month, in
Last
fact.
month, yeah.
So you're sticking to Escalane.
I am
What
Escalane.
what is it about Escalane?
I
What is
am
what-
Escalane. I am.
Ufikile usesicaleni nje.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
It's like
Yeah.
saying to politicians, so you are sticking to,
Yes, they always say well.
Now,
Okay.
you know, I'm sure Matamaning have always wanted to find out to go to Cleo Magangene studio. What goes through Cleo's mind the moment? I mean, now, like you say, now you were showing off. You know, with this I can do. This I can do. But
Yeah.
when you walk into that studio, within those walls and in between I'm a computer and but what goes through Cleo's mind just before now I've created a masterclass here and sing I release it to the world to hear?
I think where people go wrong is thinking that Ingoma starts in studio.
Sure.
Whereas, yes, some songs start in studio, but you take longer. You know, Ingoma shower fast, Ingoma so icabangile before.
Sure.
Because it's almost like you have a roadmap or architectural structure.
Yeah, tell her.
You know, so when I'm out, I'm sure you've never bumped into me in a club.
Yeah, I know.
You know,
Yeah.
but when you see me out, you must know that he's working on something, so he wants inspiration.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, because sometimes you think you know, if you get dance floor, na babantu bajayivela,
Yeah.
it sounded teased, and you're like,
Likombo.
not even a genre, like just
Yeah. A different
Yeah.
whose instrument engayazi.
yeah, or they're singing to this one song that you never knew. You're like, okay,
Yeah.
you know. So, and then like I remember 3-4 months back, I went to a Gqom party,
Yeah. When and
la Carfax,
right.
Gqom therapy,
Yeah.
Sure.
and I was there listening to Gqom for 5 hours because it's Gqom only. Why? Yay.
Zakala lapha.
When I went home, I started working on a Gqom project,
Yeah.
and I did 5 songs in 5 days.
Hayi wena.
And then ngakhathala yilo, and I've never done more. Today I was actually trying to do a year 6, so I can finish the EP in just 6 songs and then put them out.
In 5 days. 5 songs.
Yeah, I will buy.
Because you were so
It's just
inspired in that moment.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's just that because I don't do Gqom regularly.
Yes.
I took long.
Right.
5 days in 5 songs in 5 days is actually little.
Sure. The legend of
Tell
spoken
me, would you collaborate, you know, I just mentioned Likompo now, you know, I mean, piano, Likompo, 3-step, you know, somebody will say, hey, but Likompo is now taking over, Kitty Boss. Someone will say, no, 3-step. Someone will say, no, but piano is still the one. So how do you label these top 3?
Umopedi
Who would you say runs the show?
Umopedi.
Tumutwan.
o lebella o nka kae?
Ke Motswana.
Pillow talk e kotsi yo.
No, my partner is Zulu, so.
Awuzukuthi papa.
How? Can
I'll
South
Zulu
Africa,
Papa.
12 official languages.
Okay,
you know.
Okay, Fifi.
Oskan Prat, no, ne?
Awuzukuthi papa.
So how do you label? I mean,
Yeah.
you know, who would you collaborate with also in those genres?
Anybody.
Is it?
Anybody. I mean, I bumped into Shebe the other day.
Sure.
Shit.
And well, si Shebe bumped into Shebe.
Akubabona.
So we're talking.
Is it?
There's 2 other artists that I've worked with. It's just
Yeah.
that the songs are not out. Because remember, now it's just music. If it's music,
Yeah.
it's a language I can speak. And
Yeah.
let's go. Yeah.
Well, speaking of language that you can speak, here's another one. Is it Tsonga?
Yeah.
I love
Kenchai.
it. It's 3-step ke le bafana.
Yes.
Ayizinja bafana.
Let me ask you,
Yeah.
and you must answer simultaneously.
Yeah.
What doesn't kill you makes you
Stronger.
Stronger.
Tsonga.
Hey!
Come on.
Siyabuya sokubamba yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, DJ Cleo.
Sounds Josie FM 105.8.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
Too much. No one does it best, man. Of course, DJ Cleo is in the building. We call this one Proudly Brewed in Mzansi. 23 minutes after the hour, 5 o'clock. Welcome back to it. Yeah. Kumnandi kama kunjani?
Cleophas.
Ashi.
Yeah, so John, what doesn't kill you makes you Tsonga.
What
Yeah.
doesn't kill you makes you Tsonga.
Yeah, and what doesn't Tsonga you?
It will kill you.
So Emma Bailey, ke new single Cleo album. It's running. Is this a single? What's happening?
This is the second single. Album
Okay.
Meets Wile a month ago, 12th of September.
Oh,
And
congratulations.
Zamago Munya was the first one.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And the plan was to actually run with a different song. But
Yeah.
once Album Meets Wile, obviously people go through it.
Sure.
And I noticed that people are gravitating
I
towards
was
this
about to
song.
ask, do you plan, this is going to be the song I'm going to run with, and then people decide otherwise?
Yeah.
So you must now divert.
You have to listen.
You have to listen.
There's times where, like Zamago Munya,
Yeah.
Yeah.
it was my first single.
Yeah.
I shot a video for it.
Yeah.
That's that. You know,
Yeah.
I shot the video first, and then it dropped same time later song.
Yeah.
Understand? If they don't like it, tough.
Tough, but it's
Yeah.
it. Right.
On this album, only Zamago Munya. Then people listen to the album, and I check the feedback, and
For
the
sure.
feedback
Okay,
was
okay,
about
okay.
Tsonga. So I was like, okay.
So that means you cannot say this is going to be a hit.
You can and be wrong also.
Yeah.
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 Okay.
Maybe even
Okay.
even have its own audience as well. Thola ukuthi
Yeah.
isipithe phakathi nendawo.
Yeah, it's like my song Tongpo.
Yeah.
It just went platinum
Oh,
years later.
Is it?
It came out 2022.
Sure. No, congratulations though.
As I was going for my exams, final exams,
Yeah.
when I was doing
Yeah.
my degree,
yeah.
I was finishing my album as well. It came out October 2022.
Yeah. Let's talk about that, Bafo. You know, because I mean, you went to school again and said, you know what, lento ngiyayidinga ngifuna ukuyithola. As motivation, but yini le that drove you and said, you know what, ngiyalifuna le jazz. Ngiyabuyela futhi.
My ego.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
Yes.
I ngiyela ukuthola i-degree.
Ay,
Done.
Cleo, ay.
Eluna.
Manje ngishawe isikam ngoba nginganayo.
Yeah.
Ngithi bese ngitholile ngishawe isikam futhi.
Yeah.
Yebo baba ngine-degree. Ngine-degree. Refill.
Yes.
Awu ma.
Sekumele ba.
Refill ke na le degree. Lino umpadli.
I can think about it. I mean,
Ngalesa sikhathi ungenaso Bafo.
okay, but you have to think about the future.
Washesha
Think-
ukuphendula.
No, you have to think about the future. It's
Eh.
very important.
Yeah.
A degree comes with opportunities, I get.
Yeah.
So it's easy for you to grab those opportunities when you have the qualifications.
Yeah.
Thank you. So am I qualified
Right.
enough to grab you?
Nakya.
See?
Ngalesa sikhathi Bafo ungena i-degree wakuphendula kalula wathi no.
Yeah,
Manje sekhona i-degree sekunothi
mfethu utholile.
kushubile. Oh hey inkosi yami.
Can we talk about
Ngimisa kumkhwanazi ngikwazi ukuyikhulumela.
Ibali.
I wanted her to be my associate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maganga Commission?
Waba corrupt.
Yeah, people are getting arrested.
Yeah.
Can we talk about relevancy, please? It's 2025.
Sure.
I personally think you're still relevant.
Sure.
I personally. I don't know how other people feel,
Yeah.
you know. And I love how you are approaching life in general. You know, you've always been that humble, friendly, you know. Like you mentioned, but anyway, you are not that. You've
Yeah,
always
yeah.
been a nice
Yeah,
person,
for
you
sure.
know. But relevancy, how do you stay relevant, Cleo? How do you?
It's a
Horaro
it's
bona
a
re-
tough question, but
Theo.
it's a tough question, but easy to ask.
Yeah.
I think also let's just be specific. Or people assume what you are relevant when you're in the when you're in people's faces.
Sure.
Yes.
And I mean, now you'll notice where I don't hog the media. So those that are constantly in your faces are paying PR people to constantly put them on radio.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, it's PR teams.
Sure.
You know, and it's at a fee. You know, and I don't have that. You know, I want to earn everything organically. I want to earn this interview because you feel or it's worth having him on.
Yeah.
You understand? I don't want to just go because Kiri ke batla ho hlaya.
Yeah.
I'm an introvert, so I'm fine being at home. You know, instead of having to come here and see you and then it's sell it the garage sell it ukile wanghana, you know.
Urobile. Urobile. Ngikupha umswarelo ke manje. Pele yake robile. Ibuhlungu.
Ayisofoli.
Sengayisofoli. Sewuyalila ke manje.
Sengiyalizwa komuntu.
Before we run out of time, Cleo, in terms of producing,
Yeah.
what works best for you? Is it starting ingoma from scratch or is sampling? And also, do we have enough songwriters in this country?
We have amazing songwriters because
Sure.
everyone has a story to tell.
Sure.
And generally people write from experiences.
Right.
Yeah, or from others' experiences.
Sure, sure.
We have enough songwriters. We just don't have people that embrace songwriters. Wonke umuntu ufuna ukuzibhalela, wonke umuntu ufuna ukuzenzela.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, so
Sorry to cut you because of time. We're almost out of time. Newsreader Yaka just now. Speaking of embracing new talent, I know you love new talent,
Yeah.
but there's gatekeepers, man. You know, there's bana bana khona ba talented, but
Yes.
machita kwala, you know.
but sometimes live or another talent are gatekeeping themselves.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, behavior, attitude, you know, not being serious.
Is
How many
it?
artists have not shown up for this slot?
No, a few.
I knew I have to be at 5 o'clock. There's
Yeah.
traffic. I have to fetch my son.
Yeah.
So you leave early. You factor
And
all
you
those
were here
things
30
in.
minutes before the interview.
Yeah.
Right.
You know-
Because you are a brand, and as a brand, you are a business.
So bias gatekeeper on ourselves. So before we blame others, gatekeepers,
Yeah.
let's be realistic about how they gatekeep themselves
Right.
by not being professional. or being choose or no mina ngifuna imetro FM
Some belief. Because bakhona abanjalo ngithi.
That I get. Yeah, that I understand. Okay.
Yazi
All right.
sikhaleni. Ngathi sikahlala sikhaleni mntaka baba kuze
Yo,
kuthwane ilanga
Tabi,
bafusixoxa.
we needed a whole hour.
Kube mnandi
There's a
because
lot to
kumnandi
talk
mntaka
about.
baba yazi.
There's
But
a
let's talk
lot.
about the album and then mase siyayivala mfethu. Isiphumile isithola kuphi and sivale mntaka baba.
all the music platforms, YouTube Music, Spotify, you name it, the album
Yeah.
is there. Even the pirate websites.
Yeah.
Akekho umuntu opirating ngoma angayithandi.
Yes. Yes.
You know, so yeah. And then on all the socials, I'm DJ Cleo1, and thank you for supporting my music over
Yeah.
the years.
Yeah.
Josie FM, you guys have been great
Yeah.
through the years, and
Yeah.
if you keep it up like this, Njengale Paisley,
Yeah.
Malalela, South
Yeah.
African music will never ever suffer.
Yeah.
So
Oh, yes.
I do appreciate the support, man.
Thank you so much for coming. Stay
We
humble, stay
appreciate
beautiful,
you,
stay
man.
handsome. You are stunning.
Ladies.
And you must tell Bay I was joking.
Yeah, please. And tell him when because I'm sure Pays always
Let me
listening.
Sorry for breaking your heart.
Bay, Sikupa umswarelo.
Sikupa umswarelo, Bay.
Sikupa umswarelo.
Must cut off SIP.
Ladies and gentlemen, DJ Cleo.
Alrighty then, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, man. We call it proudly Brewed in Mzansi. Sifala kanjalo ke the afternoon fix on Josie FM 105.8. Sinikeza more than just radio. Vimthembu refill with same. Likamanga ke ihora lesihlanu
Yes.
sikhona ke inkosazana uzanele wakashabalala nama ngampu.
News headlines. Let's.
Josie FM News Headlines.
Uma sibheke zokugamanxa kwaleli ihora icala lokubula kukaLisedi Khoza wasemlapho lizobuyela enkantolo ngomhla ka-29 October 2025. Kanti ke ungqongqoshe oyisa omisiwe emsebenzini okwamanje njengoba ke ethathiswe ikhefu uSenzo Mchunu uphendula ke imibuzo njengoba evele phambi kwekomiti eliseParliament ad hoc. Uphiko lwamaphoyisa omkhandlu odolobha eGoli okuyi-TRC lubopha amaphoyisa ayisikhombisa mayelana nensolo zokuthumba. Yilezi nezinye engizokuphathela zona uma ngabe kubumbana elesithupha ihora.
Josie FM Community Announcements.
Lana ke lunga lomndeni nomsakazo iJosie FM ngikukhumbuzeke la ukuthi ke kuthiwa ke lana ke bakwethu bazobe behlanganyele ndawonye ngomhla ka-23 October 2025 eBhobholani Grounds bathi ke bazohlangana ngo5:30. Kusho ukuthi lana ke kuzobe kuyizondi neighborhood watch ihlangana ke nomphakathi zingi izinto abazodingida kabanzi ngazo la kubala ke nezinto nje ezikhahlamezeka khuluko umphakathi kule ndawo. Ngiphinde ngikhumbuzeke futhi la ukuthi ke uSichaba Albert Mzandile Gumede uthi ke yena ke ucela ke ukuthi ke lana ke afuniswe umgodla wakhe olahlekile bakwethu. Usho lo mgodla wakhe olahleke ezone 10 kusho ukuthi sikhwama nje uma ngabe ke khona ke onolwazi ngawo ke bakwethu kusho ukuthi ke angamthinda ku 0732612477 0732612477. Aphinde ngikhumbuzeke ke futhi la usakhile Shedrack Mngomezulu ulahlekelwe i-wallet yakhe namakhadi asebank eTexini belikade lisuka eDobsonville. Uma ngabe utholile i-wallet yakhe 06632877732 06632877732. Aphinde ngikukhumbuze ke futhi lana bakwethu ukuthi ke kuthiwa kuzohlanganyelwa ndawonye ngomhla ka-24 October 2025 eMidland Zone 10 eMulti Purpose Hall. Bazoqala ngo-11 AM lapho kuzohlangana khona ke zakhamuzi kudingidwa kabanzi ngodaba ke lwe-substance abuse kanye ney'nkinga nje ezikhungethe umphakathi kule ndawo. Amalungu omphakathi amenye ukuthi kahlanganyele khona lapho. Ingoma yaseSoweto imema ke wonke amaqembu engoma noma engabe ke iluphi uhlobo lengoma wensizwa nawentombi ukuthi ke bayobhalisela umncintiswano wengoma ozoba ngomhla ka-9 November 2025 eSoweto Theatre. Kuthiwa yikho imali yokujoyina ke kufuneka ukuthi lamaqembu ayikhokhe. Into kumele uyenze nje wena kuthiwa amaqembu engoma azobe ke encintisana ebangisiteki senkomo nezimvu kanti futhi ke kuzobe kukhona nomncintiswano wengezo yentombi nensizwa. Imininingwane ke mayelana ke namaqembu anentshisakalo yokuzoncintisana kulokhu kuthiwa ke thinta le nombolo 0735160828 0735160828 kanti ke kuthiwa ilanga lokugcina ukubhalisa umhla ka-5 November 2025. Ngikukhumbuza futhi la ngawo kumcimbi la omkhulu ozayo ngikhuluma ke nge-Gospel Soul and R&B Festival The Great White ezobe eSoweto Mid-Lovers ngomhla ka-13 December 2025. 250 rands ithikithi general khula box ingena mahhala amagate avula ngo-11 bese umcimbi uqala ngo-12 PM. Kanti amathikithi atholakala ke endaweni ezehlukene kubalwa ke nakhona lana eJosie FM offices KV Center Vunta Drive eRockville eSoweto Mid-Lovers Protea Clan across road Butchery Mfulo South